Phrasal Verbs Chapter 3. Drop off. He dropped me off at the station. Fill in. Please fill in this form carefully. Take back. She took back the shoes to the shop. Break down. My car broke down yesterday. Bring up. He brought up an interesting topic. Carry on. Even though it started raining, they decided to carry on with the football match. Check out. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Wait for. He is waiting for the bus. Write down. I wrote down her phone number. Try on. I tried on a red dress. Subscribe for more.